How are you today, folks? So, Lou Mosca here. My topic for today is, do tariffs really impact you? Or you're sticking your head in the sand and hoping that they just won't? We had a client when the tariffs started getting rolled out back in March or April this year. We had a client who manufactures components for the restaurant industry. And you ever see on any of those restaurant shows on the Food Network where people are mixing butter and flour and sugar in these huge, big mixing bowls? And we had a client that manufactured, amongst other things, these big mixing bowls. And he imported all of these steel products from overseas. And when the tariffs went into place, there was a little bit of panic. But what we did, and the client just was fantastic about it, is we shifted from making new to try to sell to replace the products he had sold years ago to creating a service business to revitalize the equipment he had put out there to buy an additional shelf life of another 3 to 5 years. So yeah, it might hurt him in the long run on new sales, but it helped him in the short run on maintaining relationships with his customers, not trying to sell them something that the price would go up 30-40%. Having the units come back in for refurb, right, which generated good revenue and higher margins. It gave the customer a good feeling that we were caring about him, and it gave our client a great feeling that we were going to generate revenue at a higher margin and not have to deal with the tariffs in the interim. Now, I don't know that that can work for 3 or 4 years out. We were just buying time to get through 2025. That's what that plan was, okay? So wanted to share that with you because there's a strategy for every circumstance. If you want to talk it through, feel free to give us a shout, 800-743-0410, or hit me up on LinkedIn, guys. Love to talk to you. Be well.